Would you like to learn how you can be generating an extra $3,000 to $5,000 a month just sharing your knowledge and experience on Udemy? Imagine yourself at the end of this month having an extra $3,500 or more in your bank account. Money generated from sales of your courses. My name is Joseph, a full-time instructor on Udemy. For a year and some months now, I have launched and sold a lot of courses in different niches at different times. A day does not pass without generating at least three sales. Presently, I am on a mission to show people how they can convert their knowledge and experience to cash while still running their normal business or at their job. In this video, I am going to show you that you can be earning over $10,000 monthly as an instructor on Udemy. Enough of the talking, let's get straight to the business. As you can see on the screen, this is someone who posted last month that she just achieved a multi-million dollar status as an instructor on Udemy. You can see the revenue report here. This is over $2 million on Udemy as an instructor. She started teaching on Udemy 2017, and you can see it here. This is September 17 to January 2024. This is the report. She has earned over $2 million on Udemy. Look at what she said here. I actually thought my $1.5 million post last year might be my last big milestone to post, but looks like there might be room for more. $2 million in revenue from selling courses on Udemy from 2017 to 2024. And she also got to say that half of my revenue came from one course. This is not just a 1 year achievement or a 1 month achievement. She has been on Udemy for over 6 years. This should be like 7 years. So she has been teaching on Udemy. She has been selling courses on Udemy for over 7 years. And in that lifespan, she has made over $2 million. Last year, when she made 1.5 million, she was very happy and she talked about it last year. And this year, she has made over $2 million. Here was the post that she made last year when she achieved the $1.5 million status. And guess what she was making every month? Let's see it. Now you can see for August 2022, she made over $40,000. And the last one she posted here, November 2022, she made over $45,000 in a month. $45,000 in a month, just one person earning $45,000 in a month. You can see that patient pays at the end. She has spent over 7 years, and for 2022, this should be like a fourth year or a sixth year. Okay, that should be a fourth year or a fifth year since she started 2017. You can see that with time and consistency, she was able to start earning huge amount of money every month selling courses on Udemy. Now you may be thinking, oh, maybe she has over 200 courses or she has 100 courses or maybe 500 courses on Udemy. No, to burst your bubble, she does not even have up to 50 courses on Udemy. Yeah, let me show you her profile on Udemy and see the number of courses that she has and what kind of course she's creating to be able to generate such an amount every month. This is her profile, and so far she has gotten over 300,000 students, and her major courses cycles around graphic design, Adobe, Affinity, and more. Let's go check out the number of courses she has. As you can see, she only have 12 courses. Just 12 courses, and she's generating over $45,000 every month. Her course cycles around graphic design, majorly graphic design, logo design, Adobe Photoshop, just everything about digital design masterclass. You can see everything here. Photoshop design, that is what she just teach. All our courses are on graphic design. I am very sure these courses are of high demand on Udemy. That is why they are generating so much money for her. And that is why she's just dominating that particular niche. So you can see that you don't need a lot of courses to also make big money. So it's not just about the volume. Sometimes the course that you pick, if they are of high demand, you don't need to create more courses. Just stick to your niche, create more courses around that title, and you may get lucky and just generate as much as you can, like this lady is generating. Now, she's not the only one achieving such result. I know others may not have gotten to her own range, but other people are also getting this result that she's getting, though not up to $45,000, but they are close and they are doing well. Let's check out the others. Here we have Jackson. He said, "Hi everyone, I have been on Udemy for 9 years and 9 months." You can see these are people who are old instructors on the platform. So they are not just 1 month old or 1 year old or 2 years old or even 3 years old. They are people who have been on the platform for 9 years, for 7 years, and some have been on the platform for more than 10 years. Okay, now 7th of January 2024 will mark my 10th anniversary, which means it will be completing 10 years selling courses on Udemy. To date, I have 44 Udemy courses. And if you come here, in my almost 10 years with Udemy, I have made exactly $212,000. You can see the amount there. While every month it makes about $1,970. You can see that people are making good amount of money. And some words of advice, he said, number one, publish lots of courses. You can see different thing works for different people. Now, he has 44 courses, while the lady I showed you only have 12 courses, and that lady makes more than Jackson. And Jackson have 44 courses, and he makes over $1,000 monthly, while the lady I showed you before makes over $45,000 monthly and only have 12 courses, while Jackson has 44. That will be the kind of courses Jackson creates. So it's not really any partiality play from Udemy. It is just the course that you create. Then he said number two, master using course promotional announcement to promote your other courses. If you are not an instructor on Udemy, you won't really understand this part. Only instructors who are on Udemy, only those who sell courses on Udemy will understand what he's trying to say here. But the one I'm very sure you will get as a new person who is about to come on Udemy or who is just watching this video, publish a lot of courses. You can never tell which course will be the breakthrough for you. Just like an artist, you can never tell which of your songs is going to be an hit song. So you just have to publish a lot of courses and let Udemy algorithm do the job. Now, this is another instructor on Udemy. He's about to share his own story with us. He said, "Hi, I'm Fee. I'm a long-time Udemy instructor since 2012, and I am excited to be a part of this community. Feel free to ask me any question." He said, "Since 2012, I have made over $1.5 million from Udemy." Okay, so you can see that people are really making money from Udemy. This is his revenue report as of February 5th, 2019, over $1.5 million on Udemy. You can see that people are making a lot of money selling their courses on Udemy. They don't even market it. Udemy does the marketing for you. Though you can promote your course, but if you don't have an audience, Udemy is the best platform you should be selling your course in. Now, here is an advice Phil gave to someone who dropped a comment on his post. If you're on Udemy, this is a platform for instructors on Udemy. We do come here to interact, come here to share our stories, come here to share some tips, and those who are new also come here to learn from old instructors on the platform. Look at what he said. He said, at the end of the day, what ends up making more money is making more great courses. So why I truly believe building your brand is super important for the long run. I also think if just starting out, you might want to just focus on creating as many good high quality courses as you can. So this is just one secret for you to really cash out on Udemy selling your courses. Don't just upload one course and relax. No, as you launch the course and the course is approved, go to the next one and the next one and the next one and the next one, because you can never tell which of those courses is going to be the hit. And your first five courses may not even generate as much as you may be expecting. Also, your first course may just be the best seller of all, like it happened to me. My first course has generated over $1,000 so far on Udemy. So you can never tell which of your courses is going to be the hit. All you need to do is to make as more great courses as you can, high quality courses as you can. And here is another instructor again called John Thompson. This one has generated over $1 million selling his courses on the platform. He said, "I launched my first course on Udemy in January 2016. That month, I did about $750 in sales." You can see just his first month, just one course did $750 in sales in his first month, just one course. Since then, I have launched additional 16 courses. So there is room for you to join in. Now, you may not be able to compare these people's result with yours, but just imagine 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 7 years from now, how much you would have generated if you start selling your courses on Udemy. Because the longer you procrastinate, the longer you push this money far from you. So if you really want to make it big, you just have to start now, because you can never tell. Maybe in your first month, you may even surpass this revenue that you are watching right now on the screen. But the longer you hesitate, the longer you push this money far from you. And this is the profile of John Thompson. Let's check out how many courses he has. He has so far 22 courses, and these are the courses that he has on Udemy that is giving him that result. I'm showing you just in case you want to create something similar to this, so you can share from the traffic coming to his course. So if you have knowledge in any of these topics, you can create something similar to this, then you can never tell. You just start making money as a course creator on the platform. So now that you have watched this, what will be your next move? If you would love me to mentor you on the journey to becoming an instructor on Udemy, send me a WhatsApp message to the number displaying on the screen. Now, this is what you are going to learn in my mentorship program. You will learn how to create and set up an Udemy instructor account. You will learn how to create and verify your payment account. And you will also learn how to link your payment account to your Udemy account, so that when Udemy send money, you will be able to receive it. You will also learn how to create course outline using ChatGPT. Sometimes you may have a topic you want to teach, but you don't know what you are going to include in the topic to make it voluminous. So this is where you can use ChatGPT to get course outline for your course. For example, you want to teach on how to lose weight, but you just know that that is just the title in your head, but you don't know how you are going to go about creating an outline and also creating the course. There is a prompt that you can write to ChatGPT that will help bring out the course outline related to your course title. Also, you will learn how to generate top selling course ideas for Udemy using ChatGPT. Maybe you don't have any topic in your head that you want to teach on Udemy, or you don't have any course title, any course ideas, you don't know which course is top selling on Udemy. I will show you how to use a ChatGPT prompt to generate top selling course ideas that you can create and upload on Udemy to start generating money. And the next one, you will also learn how to create an entire course script with ChatGPT. Yes, you have a course title in your head that you want to teach, but how do you start? How do you come up with a script? What will you say? How do you begin the course? So this is where you use ChatGPT. You will learn a powerful prompt that you can use to generate an entire course script with ChatGPT. And also, there are ways you can structure your course outline on Udemy that will help draw students to your course. I will also show you that in my course material, and you will learn 5 factors to consider to sell more courses. You will learn how to submit your tags and verify it. You will learn how to use ChatGPT to generate free reviews. Truth be told, reviews is how you sell more. Reviews is how you rank on Udemy when someone search for course using keywords that are on your course title. So you will learn how to use ChatGPT to generate free reviews so as to boost the ranking of your course. And you will also learn how to record your course using Active Presenter. Some of you may not know how to record course at all because you have not done it before. You are a novice, you don't even know how to record course. I will show you how to record your course using a recording and video editing software called Active Presenter. There is a lot you will learn. I could not list all of them here, so I just have to pick some of the few ones that you will learn when you join my mentorship program. And this is not just a course you just watch and you leave. No, it is a community where you get support. So you are not just watching videos, you are joining a community where you interact with other members in the community, where you ask questions and you get support from other members and from me. So you are not just watching videos, you are interacting with other course members who have gone way ahead of you. And there is no duration of the course. When you join, it is a lifetime. You choose to leave if you want to, and you can choose to stay for as long as you want, because we do learn everything every day. So when I have tips I want to share, I do drop it in the community. You are not just buying a course and you won't get in touch with me. No, when you pay, you will be included into the community where you will meet other members who are already making sales from my course program. And guess what? It only costs $20 to join. Yes, just $20. Then you get to join my community. Now, why am I doing this? Every day, I get people asking me if I can mentor them in this line of business so they too can be generating passive income. I have turned so many down because I feel I don't have the time to show them. But presently, life have become difficult for so many, and I feel I should help in the way I can. If you are ready to learn how you can be generating an extra $1,000 to $2,000 monthly as an instructor on Udemy, I can help you. Just send me a WhatsApp message to the number displaying on the screen to make your payment and get started today. Hope you found value in this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, I will advise that you subscribe to this channel because I have more interesting videos to selling courses on Udemy and how you can also manage your finance. If you need more conviction, I will advise that you click the video displaying on the screen right now to go check out that video. Maybe with that, you'll be able to make a change of mind and become an instructor on Udemy today.